So let's talk about Ethereum. Finally, Ethereum has broken out of $2,500 area. That's why I'm making a video on it, because sometimes I find it pointless to talk about Ethereum if it is not able to hold on to its basic levels of support. And of course, in this case scenario, the most important area for Ethereum is 2,500. I'll show it to you on a bigger chart as well, but over here you can see that pretty much all this structure, with a bit of a drop here, but all this structure is relying on the area of 2,500. As long as it holds 2,500, and like I promised, I can show it to you on a better picture. Just a second. Where the hell is Ethereum? Yeah. Now you can see it in a better picture. You can see this is the line of support of 2,500. As long as it continues to hold 2,500, this overall structure, as you can see, is relying on it with a bit of fake out. Or maybe it's real that finally it has lost it. We will soon find out. As always, our interest is in only one thing. That is that if it closes 2 daily candles above 2,500, it has closed one candle, pretty big one, above 2,500. If it does close a second one, I would assume that Ethereum has started the upward journey. Of course, our first target is 2,800. Then the last target is 3,000, because from 3,000, things will get really interesting. At 3,000, if it conquers 3,000, we will get super bullish. We can start talking about 4,000, 5,000 and everything that influencers out there are promising you. But if it is not able to stabilize above 3,000, just like what we have already seen with Ethereum so many times, where it made attempts towards 3,000, it will again fall down towards the area of 2,500, and we will find out that can it actually hold 2,500, or this time it will again fail 2,500, drop towards 2,200, and then hit the area of 2,000, which is a very questionable area. Questionable in a sense that at $2,000, it is a very tricky area, because going below 2,000 is going to trigger some PTSD. Those who are in Ethereum and are holding, the overall religious faith toward Ethereum and the positivity of Ethereum is going to start diminishing below 2,000, and I think there is going to be a big sell-off once it dips below 2,000. Above 2,000, they will continue to hold. Every day they will go and watch some positive videos on Ethereum. They will keep on promising them $8,000, $10,000, $15,000 on Ethereum. And it's easy promise. Tell them that Q1 of 2026, Ethereum will hit 8,000. Cardano will hit $10. XRP will hit $20. Q1 is far. You can bullshit as much as you want. It's a very easy task. But everything depends on 2,000. But for that, of course, first we need to lose 2,500. At this stage and in current case scenario, the only thing that you can expect from Ethereum is to go up if it closes a second daily candle above it. If it doesn't, then be prepared for the $2,000 journey. But if it holds 2,500, we can turn bullish and we can aim for 2,800 first, then 3,000, and I'll come back and I'll update you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.